Guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are just trying to prove this cosine nx dx integration formula. Okay. In order to prove this, okay, we can write cosine n minus 1 ax, cosine ax dx, and then this is 1 over a d sine ax, and then we use the integration by part. Okay, so let me just remind you guys, u dv is uv minus v du. Okay, so minus v and the du. What is du? Du is the derivative respect to these, right? So let me just write it here. Right, cosine minus 1 ax, and respect to chain rule, right? So it's minus sine ax a. Okay, so this is plus and a sine ax minus 1 cosine n minus 2 ax. So let me just write it. So sine ax cosine n minus 1 ax plus, so delete this a, so this is n minus 1. So there are sine squared, right? So it's 1 minus cosine square ax, right? Cosine n minus 2 ax. So it's 1 over a sine ax cosine n minus 1 ax plus n minus 2 cosine n minus 2 ax plus, right? So this term is exactly the original term, right? It's same as original term. So it's a minus 1. There's a minus sign here, original term. And remember, this is integration of cosine nx dx. Okay, I apologize, the space is not enough. So we can remove, we can change this, replace this and to the other left hand side. So finally we get the cosine nx dx ax, right? So this is ax. So this is a 1 divided by n, right? So the first term is this term we already have, and the second term is a minus 1 divided by n cosine n minus 2 ax dx. Sorry, dx. Okay, so that's it. That's the proof. Okay, that's it. And I will see you guys in the next videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel.